You can go without a lot of things, but you can't go without water.
Where the water comes from and the quality of that water depends on technology and properly trained individuals to use that technology.
Membrane technology is going to be the best available technology. It's going to be the wave of the future. It has been since I started. That's why I'm in it. And I think that it's going to be, into the future, it's going to be where the job market's going to be. It's going to be where the better jobs are. And people are going to realize that water treatment professionals are very important to their everyday life.
Membranes are to water treatment what the microchip is to information technology.
According to a respected engineering group, membrane water treatment technology as a whole is growing 10 to 40% annually.
I live in an area that has good water. It's not a problem for me.
So how does this affect me?
I don't use that much water.
Aren't there bigger things in our society to worry about other than water?
Is water something I need to worry about right now?
Society must pay attention now to our water supply because of the ever-increasing demand and the ever-decreasing supply. Here's why. The human population is booming. If the current rate continues, the planet Earth will be home to more than 12 billion by the year 2060. Over and above the number of deaths in the United States, we're adding 6 people a minute. By the time this video is complete, there will be 72 more people in the United States, and each of us require thousands of gallons of water each day. Let's take the Phillips family. When they sit down for a holiday dinner, it's not in mind that it took thousands of gallons of water to manufacture and process this meal for only 8 people. In fact, this meal alone took over 42,000 gallons of water to produce before it got to the table. On top of that, it took hundreds of water treatment professionals to make it possible.